Hello everyone. Um, I'm just going to go over GBP JPY and gonna go through the top-down analysis and what I'm looking on monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hour. So starting from the monthly, uh, first thing first, uh, looking at the momentum, the bullish momentum right now. In 4 months, we are not seeing any specific or strong bears in the market. Price is still pushing upside, and yeah, so momentum wise, we are kind of bullish on monthly. Second thing, if you observe here right now, we had these highs right here. All right, so the price actually liquidated these highs, but uh, if you know that if there's a high right like this and price liquidates that and comes back within the range, we observe a good amount of bears, right? So uh, while in this case right now, this week right here liquidated these highs right here, right? All right, so we were expecting, I was expecting some bears in the market because the price has liquidated some a good amount of highs right here, but instead of that, I'm still observing some bullish candles right here, which shows that the price has not grabbed the liquidity which it really needed to. All right, so the momentum wise and these confluences shows me that the price is still bullish, and it has some bullish intention right now. And talking about some zones right here, I'm not seeing any specific zone from where the price might react in this region right now. So yeah, so on weekly, moving down to the weekly, same thing, we liquidated this high right here. All right, so we should see we should have seen a good amount of bears in the market, but rather the price got rejection from this below region, filling this fair value gap right here and tapping in this order block right now. All right, so weekly also shows me that the price has some bullish intentions, maybe a push down and upside, but it shows me that the price has some bullish intentions right now. All right, so on the weekly, on the daily, sorry, we have a good amount of bears right here. All right, so we got some bears candles right now, previously. So these bears candles, like ideally, if I should give you example previously in the chart, see this bullish momentum. All right, so the momentum is considered as strong if a price consolidate after that and it continues to push upside. All right, so if in case if price goes up and consolidate, and even if it not consolidate and starts to push down, then it shows that the momentum is really not too strong. So first example, we saw the bulls were too strong, and instead of consolidation or any push up, the price came down extremely with strong momentum. And the same thing, but vice versa, we are seeing the opposite, like bearish momentum got stopped out like it was nothing. All right, so we should have seen a consolidation to trap out the early buyers, but rather we are seeing good amount of bulls entry again. Second thing, this is potentially a double top, so retail traders will be looking to sell from these levels right now. So I'm expecting a push upside and liquidate these relative equal highs. These are not really equal highs, so I would just say relative equal highs. All right, so moving down to 4 hour. Alright, so in here, if you observe, now this is a strong liquidity graph, like we discussed this on weekly, this liquidation, we discussed this on monthly, this liquidation, like the price didn't gave good reaction. But if you observe on 4 hour, these were equal lows right here. Alright, so this was the last previous low. price liquidated that and we saw a good amount of bullish momentum. Alright, so first confluence is that. Alright, second thing which I'm observing is, we are not seeing a direct stop of this bullish momentum bull run. Alright, so rather we are seeing consolidation, and maybe with the fake out to downside we might see again push up. Alright, so if this bullish momentum got stopped like we discussed on daily time frame, like this, then that should be more like a bearish intention. But whether the bullish momentum is still intact and we are seeing some consolidation, so there is a chance that price might just break out and go to the upside. So uh, next thing which I want to discuss is the foundation, obviously the market structure. So this was the high, this was the low, this was the high, price broke this low, so this was the low, this was the high, and what the price was, came up and broke this last high right there. All right, so we have a market structure shift. All right, we have a liquidity to grab because these were equal lows. All right, so and the next thing we also see a good amount of bullish momentum as well. All right, so I do see some equal lows right here. That would be clear on 2 hour. So these are some equal lows right here. So I'm expecting, maybe, I'm considering this as a Wyckoff reaccumulation, so probably a good spring, and we might see push up to the upside. All right, so this was just a thought process on GBP JPY, and I really hope that it was helpful for you guys. How I do my top-down analysis, how I jump from monthly to all the way to 2 hour. So yeah, thank you for watching this, guys.